Yo, welcome to the stream, guys. कतिको सुनिरहेको छ यो ब्याकग्राउन्ड म्युजिक? कतिको सुनिन्छ साउन्ड यसको? Not bad. ठिकै छ. Yeah, so let's start the analysis. Today's analysis, we have news. We have news in just 15 minutes. We have core PPI news. Okay, yesterday CPI was neutral. So PPI means production price index. Okay, PPI means production price index. It means what is the cost of the production of the goods, or the cost of the goods during the production. If the production of the price increases, then inflation also increases. Okay, if inflation increases, USD is not strong. Okay, so it has to be positive. Like it has to decrease, come down. So month to month it has to, okay, it is expecting to increase. Okay, look what is here. Okay, sorry. As we can see here, actually greater than forecast is good for currency. What the fuck? Greater than forecast. Okay, if it is greater, if it comes okay, maybe I'm confused here. So let's just that be. Okay, let's clear our drawings. It's clear here on weekly. Yeah, here was mine. I'm gonna clear the drawings here also, and monthly like this. Okay. Okay, we can see here a big push down on monthly. We still got half month remaining. We have like this. I was expecting like this, but that didn't happen. It was too cold. Man, look, we just have small this, but we had we tapped these areas after tapping this. Okay, if you see in lower time frame, or didn't we? No, we just tapped here. Back. Okay. This is the next support from here. If you have to see. Okay. There's a lot of liquidity, man. Like here. Do we expect a flip? If this flips, then yeah. If this flips, then it's coming about in this range. If it flips, okay. If this daily flips, with the news. Okay, because the liquidity is I'm like the push down is done, and there's no need to grab a liquidity. Okay. Let's say this in a high time frame. Okay, I'm like daily time frame. Now let's drop into 1 hour. What we can see here in 1 hour, we have this here, we have drop. This is a recent resistance, and this is a recent support. Okay, we're creating a support here, and yeah, we're expecting to push up with the news. There's good resistance, like how many times it has tapped here. And after that, we can see here another support. How far it is? Oh, it is very far. Let's put this color red. This also red. Okay, these are like next zone. Fine. If you just look at these areas, then this is the one. So if we put here, what will make it a difference? Will it make it a difference? Yeah, okay. Let's keep it here. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it for the analysis. Ayos ka na? So यस्तो छ है न्युज पछि खानु पर्ला कि भोक लाग्दैछ मटर गस्ती खुली सडक पे we have one congruent viewer. I'm not looking into any chats right now because of sunlight.
And you would have seen me get out in profits. It just happened really quick. And we don't know, right? It rebroke the high so quickly. We could have gotten slipped there to the top of the range. So we don't know, but realistically, I think that's what should have been done. That in the first 10 seconds, that first rebreak of the highs. What would have happened if the candle reversed? We probably would have lost less because we would have had a better entry. How much did I recover? About a third. About a third of it. And now we shouldn't need to wait for your confirmation on the news unless new to stream. But that's the thing, right? I feel like I go so in depth and explain what I'm looking for so much. Like you turn on some other streams and there's just really just quiet. Or we're gonna do this, but why are we gonna do this? Or why are we gonna do that? What's the reasoning? I feel like we do such a good job that like there's not much value for me after a while, right? I'm just gonna start gatekeeping shit. See what happens.
I think if yesterday,
Is it running?
if you were in my stream, we saw him losing like 2 crore,
Reach a point where I don't know where to even go.
2 crore, like
Just trying to,
20. No, no, not 2 crore.
evolve, I guess. I'm not even trying
He
to
lost
evolve.
around
Just
120k.
more things
That's 1 crore,
you get just like in life, right? You don't really change.
60, 70
You grow.
lakhs.
You grow
This guy lost yesterday that much,
and you grow into
but he made back around
still molding
30k.
into the most
Still 90k down yesterday, I think. Yes. And yet he's back today trading. That's a spirit, guys.
right? But you guys are just in a tunnel, and I'm that light at the end of the tunnel. But like I always tell people, right? There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's up to you. You can see the light or you can be the light, right? And I feel like it's a natural progression. Like eventually, you guys first see the light, but when you get there, you know, you can also choose to be the light. And I think a lot of people do that. Like I think quality principles being rubbed off on people. So like, don't rub anything off on me. Stop rubbing on me. Yo man, I just got back.
5 minute left, guys. 5 minute.
Hopefully get right back on track.
Let's get let's get ready. Let's get ready. Ready. We have rain still. If it goes up, retrace back, and again rebreak the high. Buy. It comes down, flips, buy.
You're one of those
It
people
push down. I'm gonna take a buy at these ranges. Okay, if it pushes down.
But then again, who cares what I think? He's the right dude on the YouTube. Of course, Jay is here.
Let's get
Oh,
ready.
no, not that Jay. And that Jay, actually. Yeah, both you Jays. I was talking about Jay Good. Nice to see you, Jay, too. He's like, what up?
Either way, we are buying today.
Is Wix muted or just me? It's just you.
The quest to make
You
unbear.
know those little headphone things?
Yes.
On the ear. This guy's has it on his knee or something, on his foot. The sound is inside the headphones? Honey, get me a screwdriver. It's inside the headphones.
Hello, Ink and Motion.
Come on, man.
Oh, we got 2 people watching. One is just me, and another is a girl.
Yeah, we got 2 minutes here. We're gonna see how the news plays out here. I was gonna
We got 2 minutes here.
it's kind of relevant here,
Let's keep this guy
right? The
small here.
dailies come down already.
Oh, I'm gonna close my Lofi for a minute. Let's keep like this.
Daily has
No.
coming up today, but
Yeah,
pretty hard here.
we got 1 minute 43 seconds. Fuck, my PC is freezing.
London was lovely, huh? Yeah, I know some of you guys traded London. Wow, London fucking moved. Jesus.
Hope for the best.
Yo, that's 5 pips.
Quick entry.
Minute to go here, gang.
Liquidity, range fill, break of structure. Process based thinking, not outcome based thinking. Okay, not logic, not outcome based thinking. Win or lose, you have to follow a process. Don't ever trade Don't ever trade. Don't enter a trade if I'm not waiting for that trade. Only take that I'm waiting. Okay.
Stops here.
हत्तेरी का साइनले जी हत्तेरी का
See if we
साइनले
get the
जी.
trade.
Dude, like push up and that is a little risky because we don't know till where it will push.
30.
Okay.
So this would be like this.
Still got 20.
This would be the top white line would
Anytime,
be
guys.
bottom
Anytime.
line,
17,
stop loss. Would
16,
be this is something
14.
for next year that I'm sample sizing, and it would be roughly a 30 pip stop, right? And then
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom.
if
What?
we come down, oh,
What? Did I expect too
we'll
much?
still take our regular
What?
position. If we go high,
Ah.
and then we re-break it,
Okay, BBA. Oh, okay. Good for USD. That means
please.
that means go bears USD, man. Bears USD.
All right. Created a high too, huh?
But we need to
Needed to push. I don't know which way we're pushing yet. Created that low.
grab those liquidities. We can take a buy here. Shh. But
Numbers out? Numbers are not out.
but you know there is no.
Everything's good numbers on unemployment claims, so this should come down, huh? Interesting. Chat, I'm gonna take a sell and
Go
re-break our previous
here.
candle once we break that low in the 1 minute. I'm gonna take a sell.
What is our bro saying?
Alright, so I have a sell stop right now.
We have here. Okay, he's trying to sell on the flip.
2.7. Okay.
Oh, he's activated. He's on sale here.
Here. I'll tell you once we're activated.
He's in sales here. Fine.
Numbers are expected. We do have a. Oh, there we go. We are activated here. That actually just tapped us. I don't know. We didn't get activated with price here, but on.
I was expecting like daily flip, but USD is strong, yeah.
Yeah, it definitely broke the low.
USD is definitely strong here. As the news.
Good numbers for the dollar.
USD is strong. People are shifting from gold to Bitcoin. That's why there is no movement on gold. Gosh.
Only one position right now. I'm expecting a rebreak of the lows here.
How was it? But it moved. It moved like 20, 30 pips. So, man. That's crazy.
There are two positions, but two positions off entry as usual. Can we re-break the low? I think if it re-breaks the low, I might add positions on the re-break of the low. Yep, just added a position here. Added two as we re-broke the lows.
No volume, man. Not gonna take the trade.
On the same spot that we re-broke the lows on because we re-broke it again.
Yeah, if I had to take a trade, I would take a trade like a buy at these points.
Bearish push as we re-broke the lows. That's what I'm expecting.
As you can see here,
I only saw about 9 pips.
like we need to see a liquidity grab now.
The bottom of the range at 25.50, so maybe about.
There's a liquidity, a lot of stop loss here. That needs to be cleared before going down. Do that. Okay. How many pips did he? God. He was activated here. It was 10 pips already, but he added position and he's not.
Five closure too, right?
Out.
Yeah, we have 1 minute here on the 5.
No, that's not 5 closer. Okay, not bad. 30 minute
Bearish
is
push and a 5 minute heavy bearish closure on the
cow.
bottom wick. We might look for an extra position on the 5 top wick as well.
Mm, nothing much. Nothing much, guys. Nothing much. Let's have some, you know.
It's gonna have to close bearish. Are these valid stops? I think stops are valid right here. But that was a bullish closure. You know what? I'm gonna take a sell right here, right where we're at right now. And if we either re-break the highs, I just took a sell on that 5 flip right here. So we either re-break the highs and we're gonna continue driving it above here. That's my stops. Or yeah, or that's it. If it's max stops, then it's max stops. But that's a 15 flip, so we might drive. News came out bearish. News came out bearish for us for gold. So I'm expecting it to come down. I don't know. The fives reflipped and rebroke the low. It's 2 days in a row getting burned on news. Possible. Possible. Well, just took another sell here. 2555.8. Yeah. Yeah, if we re-break the high of this candle, I'll close everything. Gave it a chance to come down, created a high. If it re-breaks highs here, I'll close everything. If we come down here another 20 pips, I'll close everything in profits. Yeah, we expected that 5 to come down. At this point, it's a different trade, but at this point, it's
Okay, our guys in drawdown again, mother father.
price actioning. If it re-breaks highs, yeah, we'll be out.
But don't worry, bro.
We'll be out. I'll tell you right
Don't worry, I got you. I got you. I got you. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
That's news for you.
I'm watching your stream. Okay. Ah, news not so volatile. Okay, we're pushing up actually.
2 days
Okay.
in a row on news. Yeah, I close. Once we rebroke the highs here, even if we come down, it just doesn't make sense. It created a high, came down, grabbed orders. Now if it rebreaks highs,
I don't know.
it's just gonna go.
Should I take a buy here? Yeah, actually that's a buy. But I need to share closer.
Ah, that's frustrating.
Dude, he took a L there.
revenge,
Respect, man. Respect.
yeah. No.
I think he lost around some some 80,
I don't see what's wrong.
80, 90, 100 pips.
Good numbers, fine. Heavy level, fine. We never got there.
Can you just get closer about this?
I can't take the rebreak because the rebreak of the highs for buy because the news came out bearish here, and even though fundamentally, yeah, I think it should come down. Maybe that was it. Maybe that was it, and the support is too strong. I don't know. I don't have an answer. Market give you opportunity to get out? No. I'm playing my news bias. Market didn't push against us, right? We're only playing this range. Market gives you an opportunity to get out when it drives up against you and then comes back based off of resistance.
Yeah, I need to see closer about this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this
I'm done
stepped.
with with today's news. So we're no longer playing the news, but we will be trading. Wix is tight. Wix is never tight. Despite Forex Factory saying unemployment is good for the dollar, I thought Fed were concerned about unemployment. So if it's the Fed, they're more likely to reduce rates. You know, the rate reduction hasn't done shit. The election's done shit. The rate reduction hasn't done shit. Tell me one thing, why didn't you close your trade in profit? Because it doesn't make sense to hold it now. It rebroke the highs after grabbing orders, right? We gave it a chance to come down.
See
We
that?
saw about 9 pips. Then it came up, created a high, and came back down in range and grabbed orders. Once it grabs these orders and breaks up, it's highly likely to fill the rest of the range. Right? You're at this point, once it re-breaks its own high after coming down in range and grabbing orders, you're behind in the trade. Your probability is behind now. Annoyed. Why didn't I book that 9 pips? Because that was the initial push, the initial rebreak. I was expecting the bottom of the range. We never got to the bottom of the range. So the bottom of the range here, if we were trading it off the one, this is the level we're expecting, right? Right here. I saw 9 pips right here. But that's not the bottom of the range. This is. So I was expecting this area on a smaller time frame. Today I was wrong. And yesterday for news I was wrong too. I don't think I was wrong on the news itself. I was wrong on the execution. Yeah, I closed right here at the rebreak of the highs.
30. We got 2 minutes for this 15-minute to close. If it closes above that, then if and the next candle pushes down without creating a top wick, then I'm gonna enter it as a weekend trade. It has to close above, and no, right? It has to do that. Yeah, the target will be here.
90. Yeah, that was like
This area will be my
228.
target.
Shit.
56 paper range.
Oh, good. You lost the profits you made yesterday? I didn't make profits yesterday. Yesterday was a losing day. Yesterday was overall a losing day.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Yesterday was
two,
the first losing day
1.
in 2 months.
Boom. And it is coming. Going up. Okay. Break that high and
Last
push.
time we took, well, we didn't have two losses in a row, but we had two
Mm-hmm.
losses in a row in June. That was the last time. I think the first and second of June or something like that.
Okay, fine. What's that? Yes. Okay, look, this did not have bottom wick, but if it, yeah, there's possibility without bottom wick market can push. But if it has to push aggressively,
Collected as a
retrace back at
yeah.
at
I mean,
these
price action
areas,
has been
and
great.
again we break the
Look at
high,
this.
then this is
We've
the
been wrong
target.
twice in 2 days now. Well, I've been wrong twice in 2 days.
Oh man, I just love trading.
Now you see why
This is
trading
the
is
only thing
a
that I
bad
get,
idea. I made the trading
that
off.
I can wake every day and learn and grow
If I didn't trade games
and
this year, my account would be probably at half its size.
think it with different ways that 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 I can do anything for
April,
this.
May, June, I almost doubled my account
This is the only thing
just
in my
trading off
life.
the news.
I'm like only thing that I love to do. Work. Yeah. Mother,
That's why
father,
I'm so confident
gentlemen.
in trading news, right? I take it because we've been killing it all year.
Bullshit, bro. Bullshit. Okay, and another thing that I took a trade this in London session, yeah?
The
We already
burner.
got 20 pips in London session. I don't have to worry about taking a trade today because I already took the trade in the London session. That was a range fill, man. I was expecting to go long at these, but you know,
There's no 100%
I
winning this strat.
couldn't.
This is trading. You get losses and wins, and that's so healthy. Yeah, I just don't want to lose. Yeah, obviously it's healthy. I didn't
Okay,
even
look,
know
this
there was a
is
range
an
for check.
next minor area that the market can create a support. If it comes down, fake out, and I'm getting a call from my mom.
Time to sell? No, I'm waiting on this closure now. 10 minutes. I'm waiting on a closure. I believe the next hourly is gonna have to create a wick to come up, right? So you're looking for this area. You need a bearish closure. You need to hold resistance, and then we can start thinking about 25.50 here. You're going to need a bearish closure on this 15, and you're going to need a top wick to come up and retest the highs before looking for anything. But bearish closure like this. This is the bearish closure you would need. You would need to close below these areas. If that's something we're able to get in the next 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then I'm looking for a top wick here. I'm going to come down to this area. Don't you think after losing 110K, you would regroup and analyze yourself? Okay. Yes.
Today's dinner I have egg fried rice cooked by my mom. So I'm gonna like this and put like this. Okay. I'm gonna do ASMR. Fuck. So okay, tapped the support.
Imagine telling some fake trader.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
I'm reading everything.
Hmm.
Reading
How this
everything.
5 minute closes again?
Lost
1 minute
100,
left.
40 pips on the early trade. Look at it. Tell me if it was a good idea. I will after we close here. I'll look at it.
Okay. If it pushes down, that push is not enough. Just a little bit more.
I lost a little under 20.
Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Like I was saying, I'm gonna take buys on the flip, but no, I don't think so.
Okay, here
The
we
higher time frame
go.
do not
Hope it
support.
closes like that. We got 9 minutes. Let's hope we get that.
We have a 1 hour closing. That
Yeah, below 55.7. We want a closure below 55.7 here on the 30 and on the 1.
enter the buy. Just paper trading.
Perfect. Came down to this level and came right back up. So we understand that that's a solid level. Now let's see if we break it or continue up.
Like that. Little bit cut. 144 pips. I would definitely get out. Yeah.
This will be the first bullish 4-hour close after yesterday morning. Still came down yesterday morning.
We have 7 minutes for the closer of 1 hour. Okay, look. It's fine, right? 15 minutes is. Okay. If this 15 minute close above this, we can take a buy in the next 1 hour opening. Because look, the bottom is created. Good to go, but it has to close above this. Okay, this 15 minutes. I'm taking too many decisions.
Okay. Couple of things. We might have an off the rip entry if we're able to close above here. If we're above this area, above 2559.
Look, he's also saying the same thing. If it goes above that,
If we're able to close above there in 1 minute, I might look for an off the rip buy.
like 1 minute. I'm wrong. He's not saying the same thing.
Stuck in a range.
If you
Above the most recent
yeah
too, huh?
okay, well, I'm gonna say something.
Let's see.
I have lost 1 lakh rupees
Next
in a day
5 minutes.
in trading. This
We
trading
have
on one
5
day,
minutes.
one
If we're
lakh.
able to close above here in 5 minutes,
That's my highest loss.
then we'll look for that.
My highest gain 13,000 in a day. That's why like risk management is very important. Important. The 5 minutes left.
Right, we spoke about this before, right? Price tends to reverse the same way it comes down, it'll tend to come up. So if we've had this tapped, and now you have this tapped, and this tapped, the next area you'd figure would be this, but you'd have to re-break the highs. You would need a candle that closes now, like this. Then I can say, all right, then we're gonna do the remainder here. And you're not gonna need a really steep bottom, like just a minor one. We still have 3 minutes. Let's see if we can close above there. Jay, can we get a pip count on that loss? It was over 200 pips. $282. Oh, I didn't see it. My bad, Jay. Two minutes. 2 minutes.
Annies.
Jeez, London was so beautiful. Anybody trade London? I would have smacked it here. Let's see. 4 hour never broke the previous 4 hour high. How did we? Yeah, yesterday we broke it.
One minute left for closer.
rest of our 100K. No. No. All right, 4 hours closing here. 30 is going to close above the most recent, but it held resistance. We've held resistance on the 30. They barely closed above the most recent. But the 4 hour close below. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for either a closure up above here.
Okay, we have a closer.
I can't take anything here right now.
And I'm gonna close inside the range. So that's fine. I think yeah, I missed the trade. Nothing about, but it's fine.
4 hour, no bottom wick.
Oh man, market is not moving today. So yeah, what happened? Yesterday, Asian session expanded. And now we are gonna see a consolidation in this session, and tomorrow London session could be a good session moments. Okay.
Maybe even up here. Maybe it's even to 5-9 areas.
Do we need a bottom week? I don't think so. Nothing, bro. Nothing in the table.
In a few seconds, you will say, chat, I take a sell. Maybe a little more than a few seconds.
I think no. Mafia Mundi, Mafia Mundi. Okay, it's dropping. Unless you drop like this to these points, then I'm gonna buy here to these points.
This is a level we've driven up from, right? And the 4 hour closed bullish. And we still have range. We never filled the 4 hour wick.
I was expecting like one daily to flip bullish, but nah, bro, nah. Not gonna happen today.
So I'd like some closures.
We've
five.
still got like, I'm gonna trade till 9:30, 9:45. Okay, okay. Show me some drop, baby.
The candle.
Show me some drop. Drop, 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 drop,
Five.
drop,
Plus
drop,
4 minutes.
drop,
Even if we
drop,
get this
drop,
next five closing
drop, drop,
below here, we will look for positions.
drop, 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 drop.
I mean, yeah, we'll have all volume all morning. I expect like yesterday we had volume the entire day through Asian, through London.
Straight drop, straight drop.
Rebreaking the low. Yes, it's rebreaking the low. Chat, take a sell.
Cologne. Post Malone.
Right as we rebroke the low. Okay. Pulled up back into range on a 1 minute. And came down, rebroke the low.
Another day, another dollar.
Yeah, we closed below here. We rebroke the low. So once it rebroke the low, I took a position there.
Man, Dogecoin, man, Dogecoin किन्नु पर्ने थियो यार.
But
मैले
my
तर हैन
out
ठिकै छ.
was not until
Yay,
the
छैन.
bearish closure on the 5 minute as it rebreaks highs.
गरिटोल जाँच गर्ने क्रम छिपाई राखेको लागु औषध
Bearish closure.
खारी बरामद गरी अहिलेसम्म लाइभ हेरेको Oh, we are pushing up. Pushing up. Pushing up.
Yeah, I'm in a trade. I took a sell here as we rebroke the lows. And
Okay. I think I'm gonna take a buy here.
and burn.
All right, taking a buy here. Expecting this to fill this week. Okay.
Yeah, the expectation is not for this.
That's 192 pips.
You're still ahead probability wise till
And yeah,
still held
it is here, but
resistance is broken and it closes above.
that is
then
there. Okay, took a trade.
past the technical resistance, then I can close it. But until then, like, yeah, we've held resistance, so I can't really close it. What I can do, whoops, sorry, is look for a bearish reflip and look for another sell. But then this 15 would have to reflip.
Okay, okay, motherfucker. I see you there.
Oh, there we go. Let's took another sell here as the 15 reflip bearish.
Okay, okay. Right now we're in. totally different trade. Fine, I'm fine. I'm fine. If it starts closing below this, I'm gonna like
And my stops are not up there.
get
My
out of the
stops.
trade.
Stops are what the fuck? Stops would be at the rebreak out of a range highs. God, that's ugly. All right, you know what? I'm gonna close that. I just closed out at break even. We're gonna wait for the market to come back. I'm gonna wait for this closure now. I'm not fucking around with this range anymore. 25. No, I closed
With this
at the
guy here.
right on the dot. I'm not messing with this range right here. I've tried it twice today.
It's hot.
Times it didn't drive where I needed it to.
Hot, baby, hot.
Right here.
Need to get serious here. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Fuck this range.
Okay, this 5 minute close. Look. Man, crazy, crazy.
Yeah, last trade was a break even.
Yeah, this has to break that high and push.
Marked up closure above and closure below, but we did.
Not coming down, bro.
Trying to get ahead
You don't need bum wick.
on the 1 minute, but it did close below our level, right? The level was up here. We closed below that level, and then we came up, created a top wick, and re-broke that low right here. So as we tried to come up back in range and failed, right? I took the entry here, expecting.
What is our stops here?
Expecting for this to
What
be
we
a
are
lot
looking?
weaker. That's why I took it off the 1 minute, not the 15 or the 5, because I'm expecting
100 pips.
volume here.
Okay.
It's stuck in this range. No volume.
Acceptable. I can accept pips up to like 150, 200 pips. That's $140. I can take that loss. But yeah, still this was out of my trading style, right? Not out of my trading style, not that one best trading style that range will. This is like proper structure and break of the come on, man. You have to at least give me 10 pips here, man. What are you doing?
Yo, yourself a song.
Bro is smoked already. Alright, man, re-break that high. break that fucking. ठ्याक्कै 8 बजेछ आज कुन बुधबार बिहिबार होइन शुक्रबार अफिसको काममा बढ्दै छ यार
Yeah, man. Past 2 days.
ओको दुखेर
it's
छ
been
अफिसको
slow,
कामले
man. Otherwise, they've been completely fine.
यहाँबाट फ्लिप भइदियो भने पो तनाव हुन्छ त
Losing streak, these emotions get tough. Yeah.
But I'm hoping to like break this ice, bro. Bro. I'm hoping to at least break this ice. We're going down. We had a drag down of like, let's see how many pips. Ooh, 30 pips, 33 pips. Okay, we have a drag down, 30 pips. Okay, when it tap this zone, I'm gonna go break even. Okay. Are we tapping that zone? When it flips, yeah. Okay, I got the thing here. Okay, look what happens. It breaks that high. Okay, it breaks that high again, comes down a bottom wick again, and it reflips that high again. Again, let's see what. See, okay, tapped. Okay, it's gonna flip back now. It's gonna flip back. It'll create a bigger bottom wick. Okay, let's taking that. How many pips? I don't know. 11 pips. Good with it, bro. I'm good with that pip. I'm good with that trade. But it was not that not that much. Not that good trade, but it was okay. We never closed below this. We flip. Okay, yes. Look how this 15 closed. I was damn sure. I forgot to look here, but yeah, look. It's closing like this. If it breaks that, it's gonna even go up to these areas now. Okay. Look what happened. Consolidation, liquidity grab, and breaking up. That's my only thing, only trading style. Yeah, I was gonna watch a video, music video. I'm gonna watch that now. It's from Savin Best. I haven't subscribed him. He's an artist. I like him. Beast Production. Vabia.
Fuck. Sorry, gang. Hold on. We're gonna look for positions here. Chat. I'm taking a buy right here, right where we are. I just took a buy 2561.3. Here's the deal. As we rebroke the high and we're breaking into this range, we should be able to fill the top to the top of the range. So I just took a buy there. 20. That would have been funny if I just took that buy completely muted. That would have been hilarious. I'm looking at this point for the top of the range. As I was saying, the same way we come down, right, is the same way we come up. And we have a mirror image of that happening right now. And from this area, we came down from here to here. So the same way I would expect us to come up to 2565. The same way we came down is, whoops, sorry, this isn't it. We're in a buy here at 2561.3, right where we are right now. So I'm going to look for the fill of this range to the upside. All right. Your vantage point is 2564.
Okay, we got
And your
the
entire
closer.
is
If next comes down, we're gonna buy. Okay.
25653.
Come down, baby. Baby, come down. Come down to here. Come on down, baby. Baby. Baby, I love you. Come on.
Might get a
Fuck.
5-minute closure or a 15-minute closure and a small wick, but overall, I'm looking for the top of the range here. We got nice 5 closure, right? 5 closure above the range, halfway up. Perfect. Five bottom wick here, looking for another buy right here.
अब फ्लिप भयो भने म बाहिरिन्छु यहाँ.
Okay, just entered right here off that support. Let's see what happens. Looking for this same area and on a smaller time frame. I'm sorry, on a higher time frame.
Okay, that motherfucker break low.
Smooth drive. It's one drive here. Right, your stops you can technically put to the bottom of this candle because this candle should not re-break the low. Right. This current 4 hours should not re-break its own low. Small stops.
ढिला आइस् त केटा खै अघि भन्नुहुन्थेन नि सधैँ आज नखाने पक भन्दै थियो मलाई सुन
Two separate price levels here for entries. If you notice, this is the area. This is the area we respected. Came up, closed above here on the 5, create a bottom wick now on the new 5. The expectation is to come up and re-break that high.
अरे
Well,
no.
okay, I'm going to close my initial position here.
Okay, it's flipping. Okay, it's flipping. Okay, let's see. It's breaking the high.
And I'm going to let the rest.
Yes, taking the buys here, man.
So my first entry closed at break even. My second position, I closed half of it. Okay, and I'm letting the rest rock here until the top of the range, and let's see where it takes us, if it takes us anywhere. So this position was closed out. this position is active, and it looks like this.
Okay, he's also on the buys. Oh, he took a weak entry here.
Range here, at least 64
Fine.
areas. I think if we can get to 64, I might look for to close out.
Fuck no.
64.2. Needs to rebalance.
Should I take a buy or not?
Go.
So confused. डर क्या किसी थे ठीक है buy. As we can, there's a range going up.
Resistance on the 5. Well, I'm hoping the 4
Oh.
hour and the 1 hour level is stronger than
Yeah, I'm
resistance on the
expecting
5,
some
which
peps
is very
there.
minor. Was
डर
really
क्या
weak
किसी
on the
थे
5.
डर क्या
Very
किसी
clean.
थे
The range to the left is really
डर
clean.
क्या किसी थे
Drive
डर क्या
up.
किसी थे
The drive down was really clean. So
Chite.
the second we came down, I was expecting us to come up. I'm looking for 64, 65 areas.
I want to see a like fast push like that. Like that.
I'm gonna close full here. Just closed full.
Closed full.
Yeah.
Bring that high.
Signal channel got that.
Going break even there because yeah, I am sure that it's gonna come and tap this and again go up.
Yeah,
I'm sure about that.
came in fully.
But also I don't want to take risk.
5 opened ugly. I still think we'll push through this range based on the higher time frame. I just see the first resistance and the 15 closing in 3 minutes.
Okay,
So
let's
first resistance
risk
is
some and
little
put it here. Okay,
how my brain
I'm
works,
gonna
this
put
is where
my
eyes
stops
go.
here.
We see the
$3.
first
Okay,
resistance,
that's fine. I can risk that.
it's closing in 3 minutes, right? So
Look, this
we
is
want
what
to pull back to the top.
what risk to reward this
If this is the
50
resistance,
pips
15 needs to pull back a
and
little.
1:5 risk to reward ratio.
Right?
Right.
And the
So I'm gonna close
wi-
4 here. I'm gonna put my stops to break even.
right? And then the next candle
And yeah,
did here. And I don't
that's
want this bottom
it.
wick to come down and take us out. You see this bottom wick here?
If we get stopped there,
I
then
was looking at them and I'm saying
fine. But
15 closes. If it's no top wick, we have to close anyway. If it is a top
I'm
wick,
expecting at least 20 pips.
I would need a pullback on
At
the next
least
candle.
20 pips here.
On the next candle, historically, we've pulled back.
My
pretty
boy.
much in the entry area. So that's why I
Give me at least 20 pips. दब सांसों पे बोले हमें जिंदगी
feel here. I just, wanted to lock in. 15 closure.
Okay. That was a fucking. What was that?
Who forced them to trade news? Bro, we would be at our record would be like 150 and 50 right now, or 150 and 45 if we didn't.
Brother.
News trades.
All right, I'm gonna take the 10 pips. It is like
My plan, right?
being volatile. So we got.
Doesn't mean I'm gonna switch my plan, right? I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing.
22 pips, 22, 23 pips today.
I say this all the time. It's a game of thousands. It's not a game of 1 or 2 trades.
Not 2022.
This half a year. It's a game of thousands.
40 pips, around 40 pips. Okay, we got a closure of 30 minute in a 1 minute. Okay, we can take a buy again, like as a bottom wick if it is coming down.
No, I'm just basing it off logic. I'm in profit here, but logically the 15's closing in a minute. You have a resistance here and you haven't pushed through yet, right? There's a chance the next bottom wick comes down and takes you out. Am I willing to take that chance, right? I'm up 50 pips at this point, right? My runners here are 2 positions at 28, 29 pips.
Yeah, like if it comes down and tap these areas, I'm gonna take buy for sure.
2 combined positions of 50 or 60 pips, whatever it is.
But it has to come down to the
10, 15 pips. And in my head, it's like, nah,
that would be a bottom wick plus my range fill entry. That would be advantage of. I would have advantage point of 20 pips. Hole hole zindagi. Okay. Come on down. Push. Push more. Push more. Push more. One last push. Look, 30 minutes. It's pushing down, right?
To fucking come down here and take us out to prove my point.
Push.
It might be like it might not.
Push.
Just prove my point.
Push.
Like we did here.
Push down. Push down.
If it drives
Push
up now,
down.
this time you would have survived.
No,
But that's not a risk I would be willing to take.
not pushing. Pushy, not pushing.
Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Almost did the flippity thing. You know the flippity thing. Oh, there, it's doing the flippity thing.
30 minute flipped. Cable down.
Yeah.
Range fill. We are gonna see a range fill here. Yeah, like weak fill.
I don't have an entry.
Weak fill. Break and boom to these points.
I'm not gonna play the rest of this range. I'm gonna play the new range when we get out of this.
We're gonna take sales. We cannot take sales here also here because
Yeah, today. See, today you would.
because market is coming creating structure.
Or would you?
What is the range?
It looks like it's coming up.
Very low
Once
shit range.
to come down, it should eventually create a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, as it's doing on the smaller time frame.
What is a bro saying, bro? Okay, bro is not in by he closed.
The daily almost flipped. Yeah, because look, yesterday's daily did not have a bottom wick.
Daily almost flipped. What the fuck you? What are you saying? No.
It would make sense for it to flip bullish. I don't know if it would make sense for it to drive up, but it would make sense here. Yesterday did not have a bottom wick. I got someone texting me on Discord. Chat, I'll never text you on Discord or Insta. I will never text you. I'll never reach out to you. Ever. Unless we're boys, I will never reach out to you. Chat's like,
It's okay.
no, I'm just being real. I have no need to contact you. So if someone's hitting you up saying it's Wix, it might be Wish 9. Wix from Wish. Where's Nate? Nate, you hitting people up? Where Timu 9? Where's Timu 9? Wish 9 in the building. Where's Timu 9? Alibaba 9. Where are you at? Oh, well, we weren't that wrong here. What happened yesterday? I don't remember. I got a very short memory. NYC open? Yes. made a bottom wick already and you flipped for NYC and didn't drive, right? So that's like, all right, so then if we held that, can NYC volume push us back down for the higher time frame bottom wicks? Who fill the range? So yeah, we would have survived here. Today we would have survived. All right. Now we might see more closures. 9:45, 10, still happening. Let's close this out. That filled our whole range that we were expecting.
Holy holy zindagi. PUBG değil mi Dex'in? But as a good trader, Socky away, we got like
ranges like this. So anything that we get
we got 32 pip, $32. That means around
that area.
40
Typically, we
pips.
start coming back up to areas like that. This area right here.
Right.
This was going
42 pips around like that. And I'm not expecting much trade today.
I'll wait for this closure, and we're gonna need a pullback. We need the market to attempt to come back up into range. So let me show you. We're not gonna need a massive bottom wick because we already created one on this 30 as we're driving. But as we close up above this area, we're gonna need.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till
bottom wick
8:45.
candle,
Let's see
right?
how the 1 hour closes.
I mean, I'm sorry, this hourly and this 30's got a nice bottom
Though
wick.
I don't think
Once we
I'm
start
gonna.
closing above these highs, I'm gonna
Where's
make a
my?
small pullback, just an attempt to come back down and into this
Yeah,
area.
I closed my trading view.
What typically happens here, you'll get to this area. You see how we rejected now? We see a reaction at this area once we've tapped it. So once we see a reaction, you wait for this pullback. You wait for a candle to then close. You need the bottom wick, but this is what I was talking about. You see it came up above here. Now it's taking that chance to drop back. It's taking that chance. If you get this closure up here, it's very similar as on the way down. You don't need a massive top wick or a massive bottom wick. Once you get that closure, you have this clean range to the left that's going to get filled. And you're just looking for a small wick. With momentum, as you're closing outside the range, with volume, you should be able to fill it. You see the candle try to come down, and it couldn't. So now as you get this closure above this area, you don't need a massive bottom wick. The market attempted to come down after breaking these highs, breaking out of this range. Now if it closes up, you're saying, all right, it shouldn't now attempt to reverse all the way down. You got a clean range to the left. We held support. And very similar as on the way down. Look, on the way down, you see that? Closed here. And you closed here, and the market came back up So you had a closure. Not a closure. You had an attempt to break outside the range here, and it failed. Came back up. It found a support, and the very next closure, you see how it closed right there, right below it. The next candle doesn't need a massive top wick. It just needs a small, some kind of top wick. and attempt to come up, and then it'll come back down. The same way it did it here is the same way it'll do it here. So you've had price above the area. It's come back down in range. It doesn't drive, finds a support, and still closes above. Small wick, any kind of wick, and then we go. So pay attention to what this did. And something, because look how that rejected. Very similar to this area. That's what you're looking for right here. You're looking for this just inverted over here. But you need that closure. No matter what, you're still going to need that closure above the range. This is good. This is good. Market attempted to come up here and came down. So we don't know if this is a rejection or the initial reaction. But if it reacted right now, next time it breaks that high, you shouldn't see a reaction here. Right? Because this is a resistance. But next time you break that high, you're expecting this to turn into a support. What if it fails to break above? If it doesn't break above or doesn't close above, we need a heavy push down to understand that this wasn't a reaction here, right? Just an initial reaction, but for that it's a rejection. So we'd have to see a range 2 breakout, right? And for a range 2 breakout, you would need to come back heavy here. Which is good. It's doing that right now for now, right? But you would need to see this. If we can see that, whether this candle or the next 15, if we can see that for the hourly closure, then I can say, all right, that was a strong rejection, not just a reaction, off a higher time frame area, right? All from the 5 to the 15 to the 30 to the 1, like that area is respected everywhere, right? So from a higher time frame area, we rejected heavy push down. The next candle, if it is to come up, it's going to create a top. It's going to have to create either a top wick. I'm sorry, if it is to come up, it's going to have to create a bottom wick and grab orders after the strong push down. It'll typically do that also off the higher time frame level, right? The 5 and 15 could be disregarded here if the 30 and the hourly do this. Then you're just looking for a top wick here to finish out the range, right? Your entry will be here on a top wick after a higher time frame rejection, not just a reaction off a level. So if you get this, yeah, this would be the most optimal entry above 5.8. It'll give you a chance to manage risk if you're wrong, and you're looking for this. The issue is sometimes you won't get up here because of the volume of the heavy push. So you might create a small top wick and with volume fill the range before coming up there. Right, so you would look for your resistances along the way. Once you get that closure along the way up, and you have a resistance here, you have a resistance here, you have a resistance here. For now, this 1 hour is bullish, right? 15 minutes left in this 1 hour. We're still stuck in this horse shit of a range, and we haven't really pushed out of it. Oh, no one cares. We'll let Wix answer instead of you. Cares about what? What did I miss? I missed the conversation in the Zooms, in the chats. Oh, I missed beef. User beefing. Yeah. You just need to open up a fast food. 15 minutes for this 1 hour candle.
यो पुरै टपिक बनाएर भित्र रेन्जमा अब क्लोज भयो त ओले ओले जिन्दगी
Please stop beefing.
Is it coming
Let's
down
all
to
start beefing.
like retrace these lows? I don't know.
Damn, nah. You crazy? Trying to compare sizes over here. Bro, all I know is my God has a bigger dick than your God. That's it. That's all that matters, right? Fuckers are over here.
म काम गर्छु यार अफिसको काम गर्छु अफिस काम टन्न बाँकी छ आज दिनभरि सुत्दै क्या म अफिसको काम गर्नु पनि दिमाग खराब भएर सुत्दै क्या
Compare fucking.
काम पेन्डिङ छ अफिसको लगाइसकिने आजको लागि स्ट्रिम आजको लागि ट्रेडिदिने हो म गर्दिनँ अब स्मच है we are up to 1200 hey this week कति अप भइसक्यो हामी निकै अप भइसक्यो मेरो this week I'm like this week is the best I think yeah look $88 motherfucker that's 10,000 rupees please okay that's the best thing man यसो काम छैन दुइटाको कन्सल्टेट हुन्छ हो केही हुँदैन अब अहिले भनिदिइरहेको छु कन्सल्टेट भयो भने माथि जानु छ भने यो ब्रेक गर्छ मुनि क्लोज हुन्छ होइन मुनि जानु छ भने सुरुमा यसरी मुनि जान्छ त्यहाँदेखि माथि क्लोज भएर यो हेरेर टेस्ट गर्न जान्छ त्यतिहरू क्या होइन कम्प्लेक्स बनाउनै पर्दैन कुराहरू ल ल ल ल गाइस ल यति नै हो गुड बाई